Hello everyone. Welcome to our guide on how to install an electric bicycle after receiving it. Congratulations on your new purchase from Lantu Ebike. When it comes to installing an electric bicycle, it's important to follow the instructions carefully to ensure a safe and successful installation. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to install your electric bicycle, share some helpful tips and tricks. Whether you're an experienced rider or a beginner, this guide will provide you with the knowledge and confidence to install your electric bicycle with ease. So, let's get started. Please lay out all the parts and tools required for the installation before beginning. Here are the saddle, quick release, handlebar stem, pedals. Please also prepare the assembly tools, screwdriver and wrench. First, use a number 6 hexagonal screwdriver to insert the stem into the hole of the bicycle head tube. Be careful that the depth does not exceed the safety line. Then tighten the screw on the top. You also need to pay attention to the angle of the stem, so that it's perpendicular to the frame. Then open the cover on the side of the stem, install the handlebar in the groove. Adjust the angle of the handlebar, install the cover, and tighten the screws. The second step is to install the front wheel. The disc rotor of the front wheel is on the side with the brake. Pay attention to insert the disc brake rotor into the gap of the brake pad. And then open the kickstand to make the biker stable. Then open the quick release, take out the cover and the spring on one side. Insert it into the hole from the side, without the disc rotor, then insert the spring and fix the cover on the another side. Make sure the tire is in the middle of the front fork before tightening the quick release. Make sure the handle of the quick release is fixed to the front of the front fork. Slowly install the front mudguard over the tire, then fix the iron rods on both sides to the front fork and tighten the screws. Pass the nut through the headlight hole first, then insert it into the fender hole in the front and tighten the screw. Note that the angle of the lights and the height of the fenders are adjustable. The third step is to install the pedals. There are L and R letters on the pedals to distinguish the left and right. Be careful not to install them backwards.
你在装的时候可以先用手往前拧，往前拧啊，
Then use a number 15 wrench and turn it forward to tighten pedals on the cranks on both sides.
旋转往前旋转。好，这边，往前拧，往前旋转。
The last step is to install the saddle. Open the seat post clamp and insert the saddle tube. Choose a reasonable and comfortable height and adjust the angle, making sure the height does not exceed the safety line. Then tighten the seat post clamp. You can also adjust the seat post clamp nut to change the tightness of the saddle. Congratulations on completing all the assembly. Now let's try to start the screen. Hang the rear wheel in the air and test the motor with electric system. Wish you have a smooth and enjoyable riding experience.